Okay guys, I'm here with a PC build. It's a $650 PC build. Starting off with the Raid Max Tornado ATX black and red ATX mid-tower computer case. This is $50 and it's $35 after $15 off, and there's a $20 rebate which clocks it at $15, which is amazing for this high quality of a case. Okay, so for the processor, I've got the AMD FX 8350 Bashir 4.0 GHz 4.2 turbo socket AM3 125 watt 8-core desktop processor. It's 8 cores, so it's extremely good for video editing and live streaming and a lot of stuff like that. So, for the graphics card, I've got the EVGA GeForce GTX 662 GB 192-bit Express Ready SLI video card. This comes with NVIDIA Tom Clancy's Splinter Cell Blacklist, which is valued at $50. So that's really good, because if you don't like Splinter Cell, you can just sell it, and yeah. So now for the RAM, just the normal stuff. G-Skill Ripjaw Series 8 GB, 2 4 GB sticks. Yeah, just the normal. I think it went down around $10 from last week. For the fan, I've got the Zygomatic AOS Aeronautical Oil System Bearing fan. I'm not even going to read all that. It was $24, but it's $4 off, so $20. The power supply, I went with the Corsair Builder Series CX600 600 watt. Bronze 80 plus certified power supply. It was $80, but it's $10 off, so it's $70. I use this in every one of my builds. I just love the Builder series, and it's bronze certified, so you're good. For the hard drive, I went the Seagate Barracuda ST1000DM003 1TB hard drive. $70. I think it went up actually around $20 from 2 weeks ago. So yeah. For the motherboard, finally, we have the Gigabyte GA78LMT S2 AM3 Plus AMD 760G Micro ATX AMD motherboard. $50, $5 shipping. It's a great motherboard, and I love Gigabyte BIOS. So this is a $650 build. I will leave the link to all the parts in the description. And you're probably thinking, what about an optical drive? Well, I thought if you're spending $650 on a PC build, you probably have built one before. So you can salvage the optical drive out of your old build and the hard drive if you want to. But if not, I will leave the link for a great optical drive in the description. I am Jack, and I approve this message.